Mushrooms, those earthy, versatile delights, have captivated the taste buds of gastronomes for centuries. While readily available in supermarkets, cultivating your own mushrooms at home can be an incredibly rewarding and environmentally conscious endeavor. Not only does it offer the freshest possible fungi for your culinary creations, but it also provides a fascinating peek into the intricate world of mycology. Cultivating mushrooms at home is a multifaceted yet gratifying process that requires attention to detail and a passion for experimentation. The journey from spore to savory morsel involves several stages, each crucial in its own right. Before embarking on your mushroom growing adventure, it's important to familiarize yourself with the fundamentals. Mushrooms, fundamentally different from plants, belong to their own kingdom fungi. They thrive in specific conditions that differ from those needed by most plants. The most common method of growing edible mushrooms at home involves using a growing medium called a substrate. Substrates can range from sawdust and wood chips for certain varieties to compost or straw for others. Once the substrate is prepared, mushroom spores or mycelium, the vegetative part of a fungus, are introduced, allowing them to colonize and grow into mushrooms. Choosing the right type of mushroom. Selecting the type of mushroom you wish to grow is a pivotal starting point. Common varieties suitable for home cultivation include oyster mushrooms, shiitake, and button mushrooms. Each variety has its own specific growth requirements, so it's essential to conduct research or obtain a reliable growing kit for your chosen species. Creating the ideal growing environment. Temperature, humidity, and light conditions play a significant role in the successful cultivation of mushrooms. Most mushrooms thrive in dark, moist environments with relatively stable temperatures. Creating an environment that mimics the natural habitat of the selected mushroom species is critical for a successful harvest. The growing process. The process typically starts by mixing your chosen substrate with the mushroom spawn, either in a bag or container. This mixture needs to be kept in a warm and dark environment to allow the mycelium to colonize the substrate fully. Once colonization occurs, small mushroom pins begin to emerge. Patience is key during this stage, as the development of mushrooms can take several weeks. Mist the growing medium regularly to maintain humidity, and, if necessary, adjust temperature and light conditions to support growth, harvesting the fruits of your labor. As your mushrooms grow and mature, they are ready to be harvested. Gently twist or cut them from the substrate, being careful to avoid damaging the surrounding area. For most species, harvesting is best done just before the caps fully open, ensuring the best flavor and texture. Cultivating your own mushrooms at home is a deeply gratifying and educational experience. Beyond the culinary rewards, it offers a fascinating insight into the natural world and the incredible processes that sustain life. As you explore the art of growing culinary mushrooms, remember that failure is just a stepping stone to success. Learning from each attempt and adjusting your methods will ultimately lead to a more bountiful harvest and a deeper understanding of the intricate world of fungi. So, gather your supplies, choose your mushroom species, and embark on this remarkable journey of cultivating your very own delectable, earthy treasures at home.